Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, today I offer for sale a freestanding house, investment property, a building project, a renovation property, a student home. It's got loads of potential. It's here in part of Observatory, which is peaceful and quiet. The streets are lined with trees. At the top of the street is a Spar and Clicks, and there's a beautiful Art Deco house next door. The house that we are looking at, this one here, has got a new roof. It is structurally sound and needs some money spent to turn it into a property to work for you. So it has in the front north facing garden. This could easily be off-street parking if you take away a bit of the stoep here. At the very end of this freestanding house it's enclosed there, so you can't access the back of the property. In the front you have a big stoep over here, and also on this side big stoep. This is your entrance to the house. There's a new electricity distribution board. It's got a prepaid meter in here and tile floors. There are no wood floors in this house. It's all tiles, and here, as you can see, is laminated floors. There are no built-in cupboards. There are no cracks. Here's a first room there. This is the second room in the house. It's being used as an office at the moment. Hello, who's there? Hello, hello. Hey, welcome. Bella, feel free to look around. This is we're now finished with the two rooms behind us. And this is a lounge with the drywall right here. This part of the property gets morning sun. It's east facing. They have new windows in here, aluminium windows. And then we're going into the third bedroom, which is right here, a massage room, if you like. Here are some built-in cupboards, as you can see. Down the passage we go. First we're going to look at the bathrooms on this side. So you have a big bathroom here with a water closet, hand basin, and a big shower. And you have another water closet here with a smaller shower. Those are the windows. Here is a funny little nook. Here is a storage cupboard. Over here is a storeroom. Unfortunately, we can't get in there. It's not a very big storeroom. This gives you an idea of the extent of the kitchen. With some built-in cupboards, double washing up basins. Here you have another room, a fourth bedroom. It's not so big. Overlooks the back courtyard. And then off we go. You can see the house needs new doors. Everything needs to be replaced here. This is a back stoep area. You can see the back of the house. And in the very back of the house, there are some wooden shacks here. They are about to be demolished or taken away by the anchor tenant here. Just going to show you the west side of the property. There's some gutters missing on the side here, in spite of the fact that it's got a new roof. See, the gutters are finished here. There's an electric fence with the neighbors. It's the neighbors' electric fence. Just walking down the passage here. There is, and then as I say, these shacks will disappear, and then you have the garden extending to the back of that house with a red roof over there. The total size of the plot is 292 square meters. And finally, this is the east side of the house. You can see the sunny side of the property extending all the way to the street in front. That's it. Thank you for watching. When you're interested in a bigger project, the owner is open for offers. I look forward to hearing from you. Werner, your man in Observatory. Thank you for watching.